Roblox. Me and my classmate will play. And I'm in my classmate's home because we are like near homes but a little far.
Bro, join me. I'm just dancing.
Okay. Let's go.
Why is 0 kills? I got 6 kills. Where are you, man? Aha.
Okay, guys.
You're loading.
So,
You are loading. I can see you flying like a bat air. Hello? Is it hello? Hello? That's 1v1.
oh, I don't want my
Okay, practice then.
classmate because oh, why there's a house here?
You can go to. There we go. Now we can go inside.
I'm so loading, guys. Oh, shit.
You can change.
So, I'm pretty loading. And stop punching me.
No, I'm just trying to help you. Bro, it's not even working. Why you won't move? Let me move here. Is it working?
I cannot press anything. So,
Let me help that.
guys.
I mean, I think you need to reset. No, there you go. Now you're working fine.
Still not.
Not working.
Lagging, guys. So, bro.
But I said you have to reset.
Okay, my big brain, and I cannot
I am not a big brain.
touch the leave button. So, guys, I cannot touch anything. I'm supposed to be
I think you need to
saying
leave.
goodbye, guys, but